What's up, y'all? It's Landon Groves with another video from Laced Up LLC, and today we're working on a pair of 2021 White Oreo 4s. The main thing that we're doing today is getting that yellow netting back pure white. So now for the prep. All we're doing here is getting those wings down and out of the way and taping around the netting area so that when we airbrush the paint, it doesn't get on the leather or the wings. So another part of the prep is using an adhesion promoter because paint doesn't always adhere to rubber the best. So I'm just using, I think it was Elmer's adhesion promoter that just makes sure that the paint can stay and stick onto that rubber netting. Alright, now when airbrushing these netting areas, all you want to do is go over it lightly. It doesn't have to drench the netting because the paint won't stick like that. It won't be a good foundation. So we're just doing light coats. I did maybe 5 or 6 coats of jacquard white paint, which is already ready for the airbrush. And after that, you just use the heat gun to dry it up, let it sit there for a second, and go back with another set. Now that this restoration is coming to a close, I just want to tell y'all thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you have any questions. If you want a restoration or cleaning, hit me in the links down below. That's my Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, email. And y'all have a blessed day. Peace.